Hello guys, I am Jitin Kumar Sharma from Let's MS Private Limited. Today, this is the third video of the binary MLM plan. So today, I am going to describe you basically the next step like in the previous video, we describe about the registration part. So today I am going to describe some more registrations part here to create the some more pairs for the users and why which we can consider that how our plugins works for the initial pair and for the further pair as well. So today I am just going to here, but let me remind first of all the previous video. According to the previous video, this is our genealogy basically. Under the user one here is the sponsor of all members here. Okay, so according to the user 2, user 3, and user 4, the pair consider for user 1. According to the settings, whatever we have in the settings part, for the pairs basically. This is the 2 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 pair commission. Okay. So now what I will consider, suppose under the user 1, I want to have the pair commissions like the from left side 2 members and the right side 1 member, then the pair commissions should be considered according to that for the user 1. So first of all, I would register some peoples that will be that will be added under the user 1, and it's mean that user 1 will be the sponsor of all members. So right now I am adding the two more members that will be the user 6 and user 7. So let me start to registration part of this one. Suppose I am going here, and this is the user 6. I am considering here the user 6, user 6 at the rate test.com, user 6. I am having the password 123456 here. Phone number anything because there is no restriction on the phone number. User 1 I am considering here, so we need the EPIN basically. So as I am the admin as well, so I can use the EPIN from here. So just a minute, I can use EPINs from here because we have created already the EPINs. So and user 2 I am having the parent name. So from here I am selecting this one as a left side. Wait a moment, hopefully. Oh, this has been registered, and my pins basically. I am just considering here. So I am just logging out this one, and again user 7 I am registering here the user 7. Okay, so user 7 at the rate test.com, user 7 here. I am having the password 123456 here. Phone number anything. I am just putting the random. User 1 is the sponsor, and I am putting here the oh, EPIN not existed, which try another leave. So just a minute. I am just having this one. Oh, this has been status has been used. So I am just putting this one. And this is the user 2. So as I have this one, because this is the status 2 that has been assigned to a member and not used. So that's why it is showing here the user key empty and not used. Okay, so as I will see here, this has been used by this user key and today it has been used. Okay, status equal to 1. So right now this one condition is there. Now I am just considering coming here and checking what is the condition here. So this is the condition basically. Here, okay. So I am trying to log in again either user 6. Account detail, I am personal checking the personal account detail. Okay. So positions late payment date this one. Hmm. My pins. So let me check in the admin sections basically how this will be work. Here, according to the distribution, so the pair commission does not consider. Okay. So the pair commission does not consider. Why? This is the user 6 account detail. I am just requesting for the EPIN. Here the requested, and as I will here check the EPIN's report, requested, assigned, go to here, and this has been assigned. So I am coming here, use EPIN. I use EPIN this one, so this has been used. Now let me check. Okay. Let me go here now. This is the basically the process previously, that how the user if does not use EPIN at the registration time, so at the previous step he can use the EPIN. So by that one, the user 5, user 6, and user 7 pair commission is considering this one. So I am just going to the genealogy part here and checking what is the condition here. So user 2, user 6, user 7, and here the user 5 and user 4. Let me see user 5, user 6, and user 7. So let me check. Basically the user 2 already has been used for the pair 1 for user 1 member. So user 2, user 3, and user 4 already used. So in that case, in the left side of the user 1, user 6 and user 7 is available, and in the right side of the user 1 is the user 5 is available. That is not considered in the previous pair commission. So as we are checking here, the user 5, user 6, and user 7 are using, and the 200 INR commission as a pair commission. Referral commission here is the user 6 and user 7, because user 6 and user 7 just before some time added in the network, and the label commission also by the label user 6 and user 7, the label commissions to the referral, it's mean that to the sponsor is getting by the 200 INR. As the same thing, the bonus, if the user have the 5 members at least, then he can get the bonuses. So if we will check here, the bonuses part is this one. So as the 5 members will be here, the 200 bonus will be get. So in that case, the user 1 also getting the bonus amount is the 200. So like this one, the 1000 total commission is happening or considering for the user 1 again. So no other any one user is getting the commission yet, because the all members in this one network till now does not have any direct referral, so they cannot get any commission till now. So I am distributing this one commission like the by clicking the distribute commission here. So this has been distributed. Now I am going to run the payout right now. So this is the payer commission as you see, and this is the service charges and the TDS deductions from here. So 985 is the total amount of this one. So this is the running process. It means that payout has been run here successfully. Now let me check the user reports here basically. So this is the basically user reports, and current balance for the user one is the 1270, because yesterday in the previous videos we have show that the 1000 amount has been withdrawn by the user one there. So and no one user is getting the other commissions as well. So here I am going to the detail of this one section for the user one in the admin. So here the everything is given like what is the current balance, how many downlines, how many referrals, user detail here, BMP detail here, user key, sponsor key, parent key, position, and whatever the conditions here there. Referral commissions are also given here for the all whatever the commissions has been gotten to the user one by the other users. So here is the by this one, by this one, by this one, like this. Okay. So label commission is there. So everything given in the detail. Bonus commissions are also here. Okay. And here are also giving the payout ID in each and every sections, that in which payout ID this commissions gotten to the user. Here the payout list basically. Okay, so everything is given like that the as the commissions, payer commission here, the referral commission here, the label commission here, the bonus details here, and this is the overall detail of the payout list basically here. I am going now on the front end section, and I am just logging as a user one. So you can see also that what the displaying on the front end, basically 6 downlines, 2270, total earnings, whatever the total earnings till now. Total withdrawal is the 1000, and total bonuses is the 300, total left users as 3, total right users 3. So this is the basically the total earning graph, total withdrawal and total earning. So this is the total withdrawal process or withdrawal graph and total earning graph. This is here the left and right and whatever the paid. So this is the detail of the direct referrals. There is the payer commission, there is the referral commission, there is the label commission, there is the, so this has been given in the graphical representation. Now I am going to the my ePINs. Basically by this one, you can transfer the ePIN as well. So this is the process, like we can request it from here. In the previous video, I have given the informations about the requesting and everything. So you can transfer the ePINs. Okay. So I am going to the genealogy part here. So if you will check the genealogy here, the everything as in the admin will also be displayed here, but the something different way like that. This is the green colored border color basically, because this is the main user right now. Okay, it's mean that this has been logged in. So this is the user one detail. Okay, no sponsor. So like this one, user 2, user 1 is sponsor, user 1 parent, left positions of this one, total earning nothing. So here if you will check for the user 1 basically, So this is the earnings 1270, direct referral withdrawal process is this one. So this is the whatever the remaining earning is after withdrawing the money. So this is the total withdrawal here. So after that we are going to the list of the payouts. So this is the list of the payouts basically. Here the every sections we have given like the payer commissions. This is the payer commission, this is the referral commission, and this is the level commission here if you will check. And whenever you will use this one application, you will definitely get the whatever the calculations is happening there. This is the basically account detail, personal information, 6 downlines, this one is sponsor key and nothing more. Bank detail is there. So I have given the bank detail here. Withdrawal amount list will be here. Yesterday we processed for the withdrawal amount. Now I am giving the amount 1000 more for the withdrawal request. So you will check as well what the withdrawal will be happen. So this has been requested while yeah, this has been requested. So pending balance is equal to 1000, requested balance as much current balance as this one. Initiated, this is showing the initiated because this has been not processed by the admin. So if you will check here, let me show in the ads mail trap as well that what the mailing system is going on. Basically, this is the user 6 and user 7, and withdrawal request. Just before some time, the withdrawal request has been processed, and this one, okay, withdrawal request and withdrawal request email subject for the one email admin and for one the user. Okay, so now I am going to the admin part, and in the admin part, withdrawal requests I am checking. So here the initiated, this one showing initiated. So going to the detail part of this one, and here, if I will choose the bank transfer suppose, and I am putting any bank transfer transaction ID here and submitting, because the admin can submit from here. It means that admin is sending the amount to the account of the member after getting the notifications related to the withdrawal process or withdrawal request. So as this has been requested from here processed, so now if I will choose, will not be processed. Okay. So this too has been processed, and if I will check here, you will see this has been processed here as well. Bank transfer, this one. This is the registration part as I have updated you that previously by this one user directly the new member will be registered under this one. Join us, this is the case whenever the member or the normal user wants to join the MLM network. Send invitations. So this is the part of the invitations basically. So just a minute, user8 at the rate dash.com. I am just trying to have this one. Okay. So what on the mail trap will become, because we are using for the testing purpose the mail trap. Yeah, this has been gotten the invitation. So this is the basically the invitation view now, widget now. So after this one, let me log out from here, and as I will click here, so this will be automatically the user one is selected here because I use the referral link of the user one member that is requested to the user8 at the rate test.com email. And after getting the email notifications, whenever I click on the widget now, then the referral link created here, and here the registration part. In the registration part, this one user one is the sponsor considered directly. So now I am not going to the like this one process. I want to now process for the other users to check that how they are getting the commissions. Okay. So, but we can go one step furthermore here, like I am just putting here the user 8 for the further pair commission checking. User 8 at the rate test.com, user 8. I am having the password 123456 and phone number, anything that you want, and I am just putting here e-pins basically. So this is not used, and okay. User 6, I am having this one, user 6, okay. So in the left side of this one, I am giving here. Now I will come by the same link. I am coming here to register the other users. I know that I am using the other email ID, but just for the reference purpose, nothing else. User 9, this one is using user 9. I am having any, and this cannot be changed, so right now I am going to take another ePIN here, that is the valid ePIN, and I am just going here for the genealogy part, and I want to put here in the right section of the user one, if I am putting here like this one I am putting as the user 5 or user 6. So just I am putting here the user 4 basically, okay. Okay, so in the right side section of this one, this has been registered. And now I am going to the section of this distribution. If you will check here, the 300 amount as a pair commission is considering by the 8 and 9, because the 8 in the left side and 9 in the right side of this one. So if we will consider here like genealogy part basically, so we are just opening this one and opening this one and opening this one, okay. So as you will check in this one section of the settings, you will check the initial pair of the two. So user 1 already got the initial pair of the 2. Now the further pair is the 1:1 ratio. So that's why reason, due to reason of the 8 and 9 only on, the 300 amount is getting to the user 1, because we have given the 300 amount here. So I am just going to run this one, distribute commission. This has been run successfully. Now I am running the payout for this one as well. So just put here this has been successfully run. Now I will check for the user one. So you will get, as this is working fine, suppose this is the total earnings and whatever I have already updated you regarding this one. So this is the basically for the user one, but I will create some more videos with everything explained for this binary MLM plan, how this works for the other users. And I have today updated that the pairs considered based on the initial pairs and the further pairs. So initial pair ratio is the 2:1 at our end, but that works like the left to right or right to left, like the 2:1 or 1:1 automatically, as per the conditions of the network. Suppose left to right condition is matched, then that will be considered. If not matched, then the right to left condition will be matched. Then we will consider that one as well, because this will be the something bad way if we are doing the one or the unidirectional for the pair commissions, because the members will not get the benefited if we will do restrictions for the directly one way process. So I do according to the two way process, this one binary pair commission basically. So I will update you in the next video, whatever the next steps of this one plugin. So please subscribe if you did not subscribe our channel. That is the Let's Siemens Private Limited, to get the more videos regarding the binary MLM or other plans, because we have the plans like the unilevel MLM WooCommerce, Force Metrics, and binary MLM WooCommerce as well. And we have also the party plans and the crowdfunding plans. So we will come with more videos regarding the informations of all plans that we have. So please subscribe our channel. Thank you.